Welcome to your video. Yep, your video. Yours because we're guessing at one point or another, you've asked yourself why generating leads is still so difficult. Or maybe why what you're doing isn't working and how you can improve it. If you look around, the problem is pretty obvious. The lead generation model most businesses use is old school. It hasn't changed in 20 years. Unless you're still sporting a mullet, you know how the growth of information technology, mobile communications, and the internet has accelerated everything about the way we do business. The problem is, the way we generate and convert leads hasn't kept up. Another change that lead generation hasn't kept pace with is the new attitude of consumers. They simply don't have the patience anymore for anything that doesn't interest them. Why should they? Consumers are tired of navigating the constant barrage of messaging that has nothing to do with them, but instead speaks to broad demographics. So, they ignore it. We all ignore it, or we wouldn't have time for anything else. By now, you've noticed the iPad I'm using, a fantastic state-of-the-art piece of technology made simple. Something that offers a whole new way to interact with information and each other. So why can't lead generation evolve in the same way? Truth is, it can. It's called LeadMD, or what we call conversational marketing. Simply put, conversational marketing is a cutting-edge, people-centric tool that sees leads as individuals instead of data sets. It allows marketers to speak and sell to each potential customer in a way that makes the most sense to them. Say hello to Violet. Violet's a consumer who enjoys bargain shopping, retro fashion, and her boxer puppy Lexi. She also leads the project management team for a huge software provider. I know this because I've been able to understand quite a bit about Violet by tracking, analyzing, and scoring her online behavior. Her movements on our site gave me a clear picture of what she's all about. Now I can use that information to tailor specific marketing messages to her. Violet ignores most mass messaging thrown her way. Although, when presented with things she actually cares about by marketers who understand who she is and what interests her, she's much more likely to buy something. Like her latest purchase, enterprise-level project management software. A huge win for the organization that sold it to her. The key to their success? They knew Violet was focused on returns, so they tailored information around real customer results. Oh, Violet also bought new pup insurance for Lexi. Thinks she might also be interested in a book or two on dog obedience, especially if they're on sale? Then there's David. Let's just say frustrated is a PC way of describing David's attitude toward the lack of collaboration between a sales and marketing team. What's more, he was getting little to no information that might help him nurture leads and convert them into customers. Today, freaking awesome is a PC way of describing how David feels about his conversion success and the way his sales and marketing teams are in sync. With the help of LeadMD and conversational marketing, he's a happier, savvier, more profitable marketer. Conversational marketing has vastly improved David's understanding of potential customers by looking at their personal preferences instead of merely their demographics. By tracking, analyzing, and scoring each customer's online behavior, David and everyone on his team have a much better understanding of how and when to convert a lead into a sale. He can easily and efficiently identify his most valuable prospects, speak to them on their terms, offer what they want when they're ready to purchase, and turn them into satisfied customers, which satisfies him to no end. If David were here, he'd tell you himself how conversational marketing is the key to keeping up with advancing technology and all the people who use it, like Violet. Conversational marketing makes everyone throughout the buying process happier, from consumers to you the marketer, to your coworkers, and of course, your boss. And why wouldn't it? After all, we're all people, each with our own unique interests, and instead of ignoring that fact, we finally have a marketing tool that takes full advantage of it. If you want to become the leader in your field, partner with the leader in conversational marketing. Visit us at leadmd.com or give us a call.